How to reschedule your appointments with client in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard you can navigate to the left side menu, click the All Apps here, and then you can go to Customer Hub here, and then you will find Appointments. You can click on it. After that, you will see all of your appointments. So in my case, I have only one appointment here. As you can see, it's Friday, July 3rd, and July, yeah. And then this is the time, the exact time, and this is the customers, I mean the clients. So in order to reschedule it, you can just click on it. And as you can see, this is the details. And to reschedule it, you can just click this one to reschedule, and then you can change the date. Maybe you want to change it to another or next week's, and the time also if you want, and click next. And then you can choose the details. You can add the description and click confirm. And it's reschedule. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.